To add a background song to your Snapchat on Android and create a snap with music, follow these simple steps. Open the Snapchat app and go to the camera screen. On the right hand side, you will see a music note icon. Tap on it to open the sounds feature. You can now browse through Snapchat's library of popular trending or genre based songs. Use the search bar if you are looking for something specific. Once you find the song you like, tap on it. Snapchat will load a short preview and let you choose which part of the track you want to use. You can drag the slider to select the exact portion. After that, the music will be added to your snap and start playing in the background. Now, go ahead and record your video snap or take a photo. The music will play along as part of your snap. After recording, you can still reposition the song sticker or delete it if you change your mind. Once you are happy with your snap, send it to your friends, add it to your story, or save it to memories. And that's it. You have successfully added music to your snap on Android.